Welcome to the top best. The best nail steamer is probably one of the most innovative tools for dip powder enthusiasts. It promises to revolutionize your at-home manicure experience. Say goodbye to harsh acetone soaking and hello to a gentler, more efficient removal process. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of nail steamers, exploring their benefits, and helping you decide if this gadget is the right fit for your nail care routine. Number 5. Nail Soaking Bowl Kit with Cuticle Tools, Pink. This 4-in-1 kit provides everything you need for professional nail polish removal. It includes 2 hand soak bowls and essential cuticle tools. This kit makes the process easy and efficient. The cuticle peeler helps remove gel polish, while the pusher cutter removes dead skin. Both are made of stainless steel for easy use. They are designed to give you a clean and neat finish. The double-layer design allows you to add hot water to the bowl. Place acetone-soaked cotton balls in the upper tray to speed up the removal process. This design ensures a comfortable and effective experience. This kit is perfect for nail nutrition treatments and removing various nail enhancements. It's suitable for both home and salon use, and it's easy to carry. It's a versatile tool for any nail enthusiast. This dip powder removal kit is a great gift for anyone who loves doing their nails. It's perfect for girls, women, and mothers, especially those who enjoy at-home manicures. It's a thoughtful and practical present. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to remove dip powder at home. It includes tools like cuticle pushers and peelers, making the process easier. If you're new to dip powder removal or prefer a comprehensive set, this is a great choice. What people say. I fill the bottom reservoir with hot water and pour acetone in the top. I like that I can soak both hands at the same time and can easily check the progress without having to unwrap aluminum foil and wrap it back up again. The gel polish starts to peel in less than 20 minutes, and you don't have to scrape the rest off your nails. Number 4. Willowash Acrylic and Dip Powder Nail Remover Kit. Tired of the mess? This acetone-proof nail soak-off bowl heats pure acetone, removing acrylic and dip powder nails much faster. It's a better solution than those messy foil wraps or clips. This kit includes everything you need: a manicure bowl, warmer plate, lid, cuticle oil, and tools. It's easier and less messy than doing it yourself, and it saves you money compared to salon visits. Just power it on and heat the acetone. After filing your top coat, soak your nails and rub them against the pad. You'll get smooth, salon-quality results right at home. This kit is specifically designed for acrylic and dip powder removal. It helps you achieve salon-level results at home, saving you both time and money. It's perfect for your needs. Created by a salon owner, this bowl is designed for professional results at home. It's durable, acetone-proof, and built for long-term use. You can also use it as a hot oil manicure bowl. What we like. This electric nail soaking bowl heats acetone, speeding up the removal process significantly. It's designed to remove acrylics and dip powder nails faster than other methods. If you value time and want professional results at home, consider this one. What people say. The bowl is acetone-proof, so I don't have to worry about it being damaged during the soak. The electric heating feature is a huge plus. It helps speed up the process, making the soak-off about 50% faster than traditional methods. The kit was incredibly easy to use, and I was pleasantly surprised by the high-end feel of the ceramic bowl. It heats up fast and warms the acetone quickly, which made the gel removal process much quicker than I anticipated. Number 3. Teenitor Nail Gel Polish Remover Tools Kit. This kit simplifies gel polish removal. It includes all the tools you need for easy and effective removal, saving you time and money. The kit includes nail clips, acetone dispenser, cotton pads, and a scraper. These tools work together to gently remove the gel polish without damaging your nails. The process is simple and efficient. This set also includes a double-ended cuticle pusher and a cuticle nipper. They help to keep your cuticles neat and tidy. The tools ensure precise and clean cuticle care. The kit provides a nail file, buffer, and cuticle oil. The cuticle oil is easily absorbed, moisturizing the nail area. This helps to maintain healthy and beautiful nails. This Teenitor kit offers gel polish removal, cuticle care, and nail maintenance. It's a complete package that meets almost all your nail care needs. What we like? This kit offers a complete set of tools for both removal and nail care, including cuticle oil. The 4-step process is designed to be gentle on your nails. If you like a kit that provides a full solution for your nail care needs, this is perfect for you. What people say. Buen producto tiene buena calidad. The cuticle oil smells nice and the files, buffers, clips, and pushers work well and are good quality. This kit is perfect. I do my own nails every couple of weeks and I still use this kit every time. Number 2. ISGR-01 Blue Electric Nail Soaking Bowl. Introducing the ISGR-01 Blue, your solution for easy gel nail removal. This electric nail soaking bowl simplifies the process, allowing you to remove gel polish from the comfort of your home. It's a convenient way to enjoy nail art without the salon visit. The ISGR-01 Blue features finger covers, a thoughtful design that minimizes the strong smell of nail polish remover. This makes the experience more pleasant compared to traditional methods. It's safer and more practical than clips or foil. Using the ISGR-01 Blue is straightforward. Just add remover, file your nails, and insert your hand when the green light is on. The device automatically shuts off after a set time. Repeat if needed until the gel softens. This electric nail soak bowl works with various gel types, including gel polish, acrylic nails, and dip powder. Please note that for stubborn gels, you may need to repeat the process until they soften for easy removal. When using the ISGR-01 Blue, be sure not to overfill the bowl with remover. Ensure your hand stays within the bowl during the soaking process. Following these tips will ensure safe and effective use of the product. The package includes the nail soaking bowl, a US plug, a user manual, and a nail dust brush. Everything you need to get started is right there. Get ready to experience the convenience of at-home gel removal. What we like? This electric nail soaking bowl heats the remover and has finger covers to minimize the odor. It's designed for ease of use, with an automatic shut-off feature. If you want a convenient and less smelly removal experience, you should consider it. What people say. This steam-off method has been a game-changer. This works great to remove gel nail polish. It is super easy to use, and for me it's a comfortable size to rest my hand while it soaks and I wait. Number 1. Gel Nail Polish Remover Kit. This professional set includes everything you need for easy gel removal. It comes with 2 soaking bowls, nail files, a buffer, and cuticle tools. It's designed to make the process simple and effective. The innovative double-layer design allows for efficient gel removal. You can pour acetone into the top tray and use warm water in the bottom to speed up the process. This helps soften the gel for easy removal. The included cuticle tools help remove gel without damaging your nails. The nail file and buffer smooth the nail surface. They are perfect for preparing your nails for a fresh manicure. This kit lets you change your nail polish whenever you want. You can remove gel polish at home, saving time and money. It's a convenient solution for your nail care needs. It's a great gift for any occasion. It's perfect for travel, holidays, or everyday use. This set is ideal for women and girls who love to do their nails. What we like? This kit includes a variety of tools, including nail files and cuticle tools. The double-layer design allows for the use of hot water to speed up the process. If you are looking for a portable and complete solution for your nail removal needs, this is a great choice. What people say. Came with everything pictured. Loved the finger separation so you use less acetone. Good quality containers that have a hand rest so it's comfortable for the 10 minutes you need to sit there. You can use this for water for manicure or as soak-off with acetone for gel polish. The design is very comfy to use, also very easy to clean. Very well designed, definitely has everything you need and will make your life way easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.